What up, guys? Today we're back in a video. We're gonna be
going to the boss.
We're gonna be defeating the boss with a new update. I missed. Well, I defeat the boss like 5 times already, but I'm gonna begin with these buffoons.
Hey, shut up, bro. Shut up. You're not a buffoon. You're the buffoon. No, I'm joking.
We got infinite ammo shotgun.
This video, and also this dude named Oliver OH16 VR. You should go subscribe to him.
I was his friend since no, it's Oliver OH16 VR.
That's what I said.
Oh, we were friends since like 1st grade.
Googly eyes to it. It's gonna be.
Oh, and I also wait, Gabriel. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna get my laser also.
I'm gonna make my shotgun look goofy.
Alright, I got a laser.
I don't got
What is this, bro?
Do you like my shotgun?
Wait, save it. Alright, guys. Let's get started with the murder.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's cause I.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Hold up.
We need a grappler. I need a shotgun. I don't have nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
That's another. My dad's caca. Not the cat.
What? And when you defeat the boss, you get a laser. Like I got like almost all the lasers, but I lost them because of 2 little tinnies. I steal them.
Hold on, I should remove the
L2
googly eyes. Should remove them, so it won't be that bad.
Oh, my backpack is heavy. Hurry up!
I'm gonna speed it up.
Okay.
By the way, I have to speed
Bro, where's
it up.
Gabriel, bro? Where's Gabriel?
I don't know.
Oh my god. First, let me reload.
Let it reload at least. So yeah, the mining process is not gonna be sped up. I'm not because I'm too lazy. No, we're only here. We're only here just to fight, like war or something.
Bro, how long does this grappler hook go, bro? Like this ad. Oh my god, bro, something's. What the? Is my soldier? Yeah. Bro, is that ow, bro? I don't think what part am I? I'm in the hub. Is his arms or his legs? I can't tell.
You back. I need a weapon.
I need shells, bro. Oh, come on, where are you going for me? Oh, I gotta do parkour on my grappler. I gotta be the square man.
it.
Get the bananas. Get the bananas. No bananas. What the bananas? No bananas. Okay, I found one banana.
I put it in. That's when the mimic starts. The mimicry, technically. Literally.
Why is it not starting?
What?
Why is it not starting?
Where's the banana?
Because you have to put it in.
You have to put it in.
Oh, yeah. Oliver!
Yeah?
Put it in the banana.
I don't have a banana.
For real?
Yeah, I don't have the banana.
They just spawn. Just spawn for no reason. It's spawn. Stay wait for them.
There's one there, but let me just.
Wait, Oliver.
Yeah?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
So, can you send me the video?
Why?
Because I'm gonna do your POV.
Yeah, but do you
alright.
have CapCut? Like, just speed up the, like.
I do have CapCut actually.
I found a banana. It's starting.
Hold up.
You found it? Banana. Oh no. No.
Uh-oh.
Perfect. That's right.
Get the mimics. Get the mimics. What the hell? They spawned right next to me. Get away. Yo. Whoa.
No, we're alone.
Yes, banana. Put it in.
Oh wait. Kill the mimics.
They spawn bananas. Kill the mimics.
They spawned
I got 2 bananas.
Hey, I got
got
ammo.
two
I got ammo.
I got 2 bananas.
Oh, that was easy. Come on, die already. Yes, banana. I got a banana. How did I miss that, bro?
What?
How did I miss that? It's open! Hurry up, guys! It's open! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Get in! Close it!
Give him. Banana.
I found
Let
it.
it go.
Alright.
Guys, where are you at?
We're all the way down.
Oh, okay.
We're over. We're Gable. Where are you?
You guys have 0 subscribers. I'm still gonna pause. It's over here. Doing this.
It's over where?
It's over here. Destroyed.
It is here. Bro, is this a back room? Bro, what the hell? My question is this the back rooms? Because... Alright, go to core. Everyone?
Yep.
Where's Gabriel?
Gabriel. I think I see him.
Oh no, he's gonna body slam me, bro.
I think he's gonna be like just like Luca. Does someone have a key? Look, there's no key for this.
Alright, no, we gotta go to core. We gotta do puzzles. Bro. These puzzles are like ease, bro. Oh my god, I'm sad.
This is the puzzle map. Oh, really fun.
Puzzle number 1, and I almost died. Go. Alright, everybody go down.
Go down. How's it mine?
Whoa. Alright, we gotta do these puzzles. I got flashbanged. Alright, go up here now. Go up here now. Go up here. Go right here. And then we gotta go over here, here. Santi, hurry up. Wait, look. This is the way to moon map. Wait, Gabriel, wait. Santi, hurry up.
Chill, I don't have a grappler. I dropped it.
Where?
I don't know. I just dropped it.
Alright, let's go. Moon map. Moon map
Oh,
incoming!
moon map.
Wait. You got free nuts. Alright, I'm gonna get a bag and I'm gonna get moon rocks. Okay, I'm gonna get a bag.
Thank you guys for participating in the video. Thank you.
Alright, thank you guys. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So like other channels like this. I'm trying to get like AA badge and like to be like a big creator one day. So please subscribe. So bye.